Now coming to my system, I'll come to this. It immediately pop up because I've come to device settings and click OK. So I'll select it. It's asking for the password. I'll click on connect. So the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then I'll click on next. I'll click on yes. Then it's checking for the network requirement as necessary. During this process, ensure that the instrument is well charged. Under my instrument battery, I have 83%. You ensure the instrument is well charged for the firmware update. So we are still waiting for it to connect. It has been connected now. The next thing for me to do under this search, during the connection, under the device settings, it brought out an address for you, so that is what I'm going to be putting here. This is it. So I'll just paste it directly and I'll click on enter. It's going to bring out the username and the password. So the username and the password is admin. Then I'll click login. So after that, it's going to bring out the serial number for that particular GNSS. The serial number which we connected, you can see it. This is it. The hardware version, the firmware version is version 4.3.0.4. So under here, I want to upgrade it to latest version, which is, we are going to see it together. I'll come to my firmware here, click on firmware upgrade, and you can see the current version, the updated files. So I'll select the updated file under my system properties where I have it saved. So what I simply do was to select the firmware file under my system properties where it was saved. So if you need this firmware file, you can easily request for the firmware file under your comment section. Just type that you need the firmware file, or you contact the person who sold the instrument to you for you to get the firmware file, or you reach out to me through my bio for the firmware file. So after that, I'll click on, after selecting and inputting, you can see this is the version, this is the latest version, which is version 4.4.0.1, and the previous one was version 4.3. So what I would do now is to click on update, and it says that the firmware is being upgraded. Please do not cut off the power. So while we wait for it to upgrade, and after the status has been upgraded successfully, it will now bring out the latest version, the current version that we upgraded to.